Good morning, Saturday morning. Just about 10 meters away from my van, and all the birds here. There's lots of birds here. You can hear them more in the mornings when it's peaceful and quiet, but otherwise, all day long there's birds around. But you can hear them very loud chirping in the mornings. And as you can see, been here again this morning. Good morning, Sunday morning. Sun is just peeping over the mountain there, and it's time to move on. I'm going more north, going to Bahati, and see what it's like there. We haven't been there for about a year, so let's see what happens there. Chat later. Cheers. I've arrived at Bahati, and I looked at the weather yesterday, looking at the wind, what the wind conditions were going to be like, and it said the wind's going to start blowing from 10, but it started a bit earlier, so I had quite a bit of wind on the road coming here, and that's why I'm standing inside the van, because the wind is pumping out there. But yeah, what a nice sight to see. I don't mind the wind. Good morning, Tuesday morning. Yeah, I didn't even do video yesterday. The wind was really howling, and the whole day it was just hectic. But surprise, surprise, today so far, no wind. I've taken the drone up. I flew quite a bit this morning, and no wind at all. But definitely a nip in the air. The sun has just come up. But absolutely stunning here on the farm. We were without electricity all day yesterday. I believe a couple of places, even in Waterfall back home, there was also a problem. The wind's just been very hectic all over. But all sorted, electricity back on.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Good morning, Wednesday morning. My lips are dry, very dry air.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.
Good morning, Thursday morning. Early visitor this morning. It's just before sunrise. All you can hear is a couple of chickens somewhere in the background. And a little bit of traffic on the main road, but that is a minor. Good morning, Friday morning. Yeah, van is warming up and it's time to move on again. I'm going a bit more high up on the north coast. And if this is winter, I don't know. Yesterday was pumping hot. I don't know what the weather's going to do later the next couple of days, but it was really, really summer weather here yesterday. But yeah, I'm moving on now. And just going to stop over to Shlui, just do a bit of grocery shopping there. And then heading off a bit more north. Chat later. Cheers. I arrived at my next stopover for a couple of days. I'm about 30 kilometers north of Shishlui,